All right, let's talk about everyone's favorite subject, interest rates. So, wow, it's been a crazy month and a half here in the mortgage industry. And if we go back to about mid September, before the Federal Reserve met and cut short term rates by 0.5%, mortgage rates were doing great. We were on the decline, had dipped to as low as 6%. Some people were even sniffing the upper fives. Really good time. And then it kind of fell apart from there. The Fed cut rates 0.5%, which was very confusing for a lot of people, right? A lot of people think, well, the Fed cut, how could mortgage rates start to go up? Well, we've always said this, but it bears repeating. They are different interest rates. The Fed controls the overnight rate, which the impact on there is more in short-term financing, not necessarily in long-term like mortgage bonds. But the Fed didn't really have anything to do with mortgage rates going up, other than the fact that they said they may cut one or two more times this year and it'd probably only be 0.25%. The markets were hoping they'd be a little bit more aggressive, but it's really what happened after that date. We started to see good job reports come out. Inflation was kind of just hanging steady. It wasn't really declining. So as a result, we saw mortgage rates tick up. That combined with, I believe, the market was anticipating a conservative president that was going to be in the office. So the fear there was perhaps tariffs were going to be imposed. That's inflationary. So we started seeing rates really, the bond market was getting beat up, and we started to see rates go a little bit higher there prior to the election. But now that we've finally gotten through this election and the dust has settled, so to speak, we're starting to see rates calm down a little bit. So the 10-year has retracted just a bit. We're still at elevated levels, but we did see a full 1% swing in interest rates in the last month and a half. So for those of you that are out there looking to purchase and we're expecting something around 6, they're probably more in the upper sixes right now, but we do believe the worst is behind us, and it is trending in the right direction, at least for now. So let's see if this can continue as we get through the rest of this month and head into December. And then in December, we should have another Fed rate cut. But once again, we don't really anticipate that to have any impact on the mortgage rates. Just got to pay attention to the job report and what inflation is doing. Hope you guys have a great day. Thank you.